Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create group in Instagram. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will be able to know how to create group in Instagram. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your profile appears. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option which is given at the first. Here I go. Now at the top right corner you can see that message icon. Tap on that. Now again you have to tap on top right corner on that icon of pen. Tap on that. Now here you can search for the friend that you want to add to a group. Here I will be entering the name of my friend in this way. Again, I will be entering the name of my another friend. Now at the top right corner you can see that option of chat. Tap on that. Here you can see that I have created the group. Now also I can give name to this group in this way. In this way, you can easily create group in your Instagram account. I hope you guys know now how to create group in Instagram. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.